In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text in Affinity Photo. We'll cover everything from selecting the text tool to formatting your text and resizing it for your needs. Whether you're crafting an eye-catching header or adding a simple note to your image, I've got you covered, so let's dive in. First things first, we need to get familiar with the text tool in Affinity Photo. If you glance over to the left toolbar, you'll find the text tool, which is your gateway to all things text. Now there are actually two modes within this tool: artistic text and frame text. If you're more of a keyboard shortcut fan, you can simply press the letter T on your keyboard to quickly activate the text tool. Let's explore when to use these two text modes. The artistic text is excellent for creating headings, single lines, or any decorative text that stands out. If this is what you're after, just click or drag your cursor where you want the text to appear and begin typing. On the other hand, if you're looking to add paragraphs or more extensive body text, the frame text mode is your best friend. With this, you'll click and drag to draw a text frame on your image. Once you've created that frame, you're all set to type or paste your text inside. After you've placed the text object, be it artistic or frame, click right inside it and start typing away. If at any point you need to edit this text, don't worry, just double-click on the text object and you can make any necessary changes. Now, formatting your text is where you can really personalize and enhance its appearance. With the text selected, your first stop is the context toolbar located at the top of your screen. Here, you can change the font, alter the style to bold or italic, adjust the size, and play around with the alignment to get the look just right. If you're looking to add a splash of color, hop over to the Color or Swatches panel found under View, then Studio, and choose either the Color or Swatches option. This allows you to easily pick a fill for your text color or even a stroke color for an outline. For those who want more precise control over the text appearance, you can dig deeper with the Character panel, also accessed via the View, then Studio menus. Here, you'll find advanced options like kerning, tracking, and baseline shift, giving you the power to perfect every detail. Finally, let's adjust the size and position of your text. Select the Move tool, which can be quickly activated with the shortcut V. Click on your text and move it around to position it exactly where you want. If you need to resize the text, simply use the corner handles of the bounding box. It's as easy as that. With these steps, you're now ready to add and customize text in Affinity Photo to fit your creative vision. Happy editing!